Well, here you go, Bill. Let me see if I can send you this video. It's a Super Sport convertible. Super Sport Chevy. Beautiful. I know I wish you could be out here today. That's 66. That's beautiful. That's 66. That's 66. 65. Beautiful. Impala. That's what that is. Beautiful. You got the white gangster white walls. 15s, Kragers. Beautiful. Nicely done. The Plymouth right here. Old Plymouth, baby. The name Plymouth. Belvedere too. Fat tires. He got something under the hood. Chevy. Nice. Heartbeat of America. Today's Chevrolet. All beautiful. Monte Carlo. How you doing? I'm all right. My brother's pissed because he wanted to come out here. I said, the guys is out here.
Yeah.
He got a 70 deuce and a quarter convertible.
Yeah.
But he was having problems yesterday with the fuel pump.
Yeah.
Because he was going to come out. He started crying. He's like, they out there. I want to show the guys. He just rebuilt the car, too.
Yeah.
I said, hey, maybe they'll be out here next week, you know? Bring it out, you know? So I don't have nothing this old. I have an 83, 98.
Yeah, but that's old enough.
Yeah.
That's old enough.
He got a 7. It's red. It's beautiful. He was out here yesterday with it, but the fuel pump, I think, went.
Yeah.
I said, come on out anyway, you know, because he got a convertible look like that, but it's red. Yeah. I mean, you know, it's a deuce and a quarter, though.
Right.
Man, it's beautiful, though. I love the Plymouth. I know she got something under that skirt, so I ain't. That mean little baby. I don't even know what this is. What she say? Chevy. It's a Chevy, y'all. She got the wood grain steering wheel. Well, not wood grain, but you know what that is. Nice work put into these old school cars. And last but not least, Olds 442, baby. Love that blue. Pretty, pretty. Sparkle. Blue. She got the crackers. Convertible bill. You will fit in nice with these fellas right here. Oh, he got some switches on the side right there. Or the armrest. I don't know what he got. Something special. 442. W30. Special edition. 442. 455. Under the hood. 30W with a special edition. I'm not too sure what it is right now. I have to read up on it. I've read up on it before, but I can't tell you what that 30W means off the top of my head. But I've read up on it before. Nicely done. Nicely done. And see that Bill? He got a white t-shirt / rag over the driver's seat so he don't burn himself with the leather. But the seats are beautiful. So if you get too hot, that's a good idea, I guess. All beautiful cars. They're beautiful cars, fellas. All right. At the fellas, they own these cars. So. Chevy. That's an Impala. They say 67 Impala. All original rim, hubcap. There go a Nova over there. I didn't get a chance to check him out yet.